Hey YouTubers, diecast collectors, it is the J-Man 63. Real quick before I head out, we got a little unboxing today. Without further ado, let's get into it. So Stanley sent me a package. Make sure his address ain't on here. Good, not on here. Alright, so we're gonna unbox this right quick. I gotta hurry up, I got somewhere I gotta go. So I got my handy dandy knife. Cool. Let's get this thing going. Alright. Plunge right on in here. Try to be as careful as I can. Alright, come on. Alright. I know you're supposed to cut away from yourself, so you need to practice doing that more often. Alright, so Stanley has informed me I'm not allowed to open something until Christmas. Or not Christmas, sorry, my birthday. But in all honesty, I have a good feeling I know what these guys are. I believe they're 100%, and I would estimate they are. I'm not going to open them out of respect for the guy. But there's that. Bubble wrap. And some stuff my buddy kind of keeps flexing on me, Mr. Matthew. Finally got the Mercedes AMG series, Deutschland design. The red. Very cool. Here's the ones in the series right now. I needed that red AMG. And then also got the Laughlin car. Pretty cool to have that Speed Society piece. I was excited to get that one. And then I also got the Subaru WRX STI, the 2019 edition. And then topping some stuff off here, I got the Gumball Rally Koenigsegg Agera R. Very cool piece. Doesn't really show much on the back, but that's cool to have. And then also I finally got Little Too Short. Been wanting this Nova. Here's the ones on the back here. Of course, I got that Subaru now. Completes a lot of what I needed. I also got the 59 Impala from the Lowriders. Other than that, there's nothing else to show in this package. And I'm waiting until FedEx gets here. So that's that right now. And of course, this guy, not opening till August 12th, my birthday. So that's going to stay like that. I'm going to respect you, Stan. So that's everything for right now. Again, the Impala, the Agera, Koenigsegg, a little too short. Finally got that guy I've been looking for. And the Subi. Pretty cool to have these guys. Laughlin car. Very happy to have that, the Z06. And also the AMG Deutschland design. Alright guys, well that's all I got before I gotta head out. Remember my channel. As always, just remember to check the channel out. And remember to consider giving this video a like, smash the notification bell. Let's get those watch hours going, guys. Alright, remember, if it has to do with diecast, it has to be the J-Man 63. Alright, guys. Bye.